Alright, hey guys, so we have a box coming all the way from Australia, and thank you to Lucy. So thank you for this box. So I guess we'll just jump right into it.
Yes.
Alright. So we thought it was something, we can almost guess what's inside, and it was really heavy, so we looked inside and there's a lot of books, so that's really cool. And some nice little handy bags we can put the books in when we hand them out. And also a mix of other things too. Some slippers.
There's books, Tai Chai. I don't know. Tai Chi? Is it karate?
Some kind of karate, yeah. It almost looks like Bruce Lee, but cool hats. Everyone likes hats.
For meditation.
So it's like half karate, half meditation kind of thing?
Tai Chi
Cool.
and Taoist energy meditation.
Very cool. Nice tops.
This is cute. Look at book at the same time. What's this?
Like colors?
And
Stickers?
also a pocket where you can put your
Oh yeah,
pencil.
that is handy. That's cool. Nice orange top.
Try to wear it.
Nice top.
Nice.
Nice clothes. Lots of books, so that's really cool.
Back
Lots of-
time, peekaboo.
And I'm seeing a lot of Australia stuff. Living in Australia.
You've been to Australia, right?
I have. That was one of my first solo trips. It was a mix of Australia and New Zealand. And it was a pretty awesome trip.
Did safari. We've been to safari.
Yeah, in Cebu.
Yeah, the safari.
And here's some more Australia stuff, some reading. So this is what like the reading, like maybe assignments for Australia looks like in school, kind of. Cool. Little rabbits, Beauty and the Beast,
Frozen.
Beware, Take Care,
Beach.
dogs,
Safe schools.
creatures, drawing stuff. Nice, lots of books. Very colorful stuff. Peter's Bully. There's some, oh, like Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Marvel. Nice, the Marvel characters.
Sweater. Is this sweater?
Yeah.
If like this that has long sleeves, we call it all in general as jacket.
Just all jacket,
Yeah.
yeah.
So
Anything with long sleeves, pretty much.
yeah, jacket.
ABCs for the little guys. Inky, Pinky, Punky. Say that 5 times fast. Inky, Pinky, Punky.
Inky pinky punky. Inky pinky punky.
Interesting things.
Cute.
Cool. So lots of good books. That's always one of my favorite things.
And lots of clothes.
Yeah,
Nice
yeah,
clothes.
both.
Colorful.
Clifford. That was one of my, I remember that when I was a kid.
Almost the same sign with different colors. That's good.
Mr. Lazy. I don't think that's gonna fit me. Maybe a bigger size.
Nice. Some
On the way. What? No TV.
kalo. Kalo is hot.
Calo?
Kalo.
Calo. Lots of calos. I see you look at all these. Nice. They always ask for caps. A lot of people say, oh, do you have any hats?
Both. Chicago Bulls.
Nice. That was always my team I rooted for growing up. Dogs. How to draw dogs. Cool.
That's cute.
Care Bears. Alright, then we have a nice little pocket of clothes. Nice dress shirt for, I think, a girl. It's sparkly. Shorts. All these have tags on them too. So I don't think these have ever been worn.
Yeah.
Really nice stuff.
A lot of things.
Yeah. Nice little gown or something. Some more hats. Oh, that's a cool hat. What does that say? Wild. Has a pocket on it. That's really cool. Little
Adventure.
hooks on there. Yeah. That's cool. Hats. Hats. Nice bags. Very cool bag. Another cool bag.
Thank you.
Nice.
And more books.
You'll see if the rest of this is books, we might not take them all out. We'll let you guys take a look. So we're gonna look at this for a second just to see if the rest of it is books. I think it is.
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome. All right, cool. So that's a lot of books. So that's really, really cool. So we're gonna look through this, organize it. I'm not sure if we're gonna pass this out today or not. Richie and I are traveling very, very soon. So if we don't get to the books before we leave, we'll definitely do that when we come back. But we'll try to maybe get some of these, maybe surprise like gelato or
Yeah.
for
Some families, yeah.
Well, yeah, some families. But anyways, but thank you so much for the box. That's very, very cool.
Yes.
So I guess we'll see you guys next time. Thank you, Lucy from Australia. That's really awesome of you and whoever helped with the box, because it's not easy. This thing was heavy, so just to ship it from Australia all the way here, that takes a lot of effort. And thank you for that.
And organizing these.
Yeah, that was you filled it to the top, so that was very, very. We really appreciate that. All right. We'll see you guys later. Thank you. Here's some behind the scenes. This is trip number 2 or 3. And then we have a few more inside. Whoa, almost a wipeout. And then we have the box up there full of books too. So we should have about 2 more trips, maybe 3 more. And then we're gonna surprise the kids just like last time with the snacks. There's tons of kids. So hopefully we have tons of books today that every kid can get a book. All right, hey guys, so we're at the same place where we gave away the snacks the other day. And this is our first time giving away books right here, which is kind of a nice spot because a lot of kids go that way and a lot of kids go that way where they live. So it's nice to get them here where they all can just come at one spot. But anyway, the classes are kind of get off at different times, so it's nice to get here and then maybe in different ways. Anyway, ¿cómo está? Does anybody want to start with a Christmas song?
Yes! Ikanta ko na mo.
Jingle bells? Oh, sing with jingle. All right, jingle bells.
1, 2, 3, go!
Hey, we're stuck together. 1, 2, 3. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Always start with a ride. All right. So today we have books. Each person can take 2 books and then go this way.
Human yung kuha. Diri laki dito babae ha.
All right. I'll help you guys out.
Ini dari. Nitan. Tang-tang. Mauwaw noon. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ay, ako. Ano baba pili? Yung pamilya.
I'll just let them choose.
Okay.
All right, 2 books and then go that way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pain lang.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tagaduha.
Thank you.
Thank you for this. Meron. Thank you. Gabi ang bayan. Ang bay. Ala, kay maayoy. Kayo ni nagmayo. Ala. Thank you, bro. Balik na ba? Oh, balik na ba? Oh, what's up? What's up? Pwede ba yung steak? Ha? Kanasa? Pilihan, nakita lang. Katawa. Ang mga tabi. Dictionary ba? Awa mo! Sana ka daw? Thank you. Mana ka? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, bro.
No problem, bro.
Salamat.
You like your books? What book did you choose? Sesame Street and Lion King. Very cool.
Lion King.
Lion King's a good one. Nursery rhymes. What'd you get? Oh, The Secret Garden. Good choice. You're welcome, bro.
Kanang usa, kana tapat, kanang yellow color, kana. Nya napadari sa dictionary dari. Ay ibutang ang usa wala di na magamit. Kana ibutang na. Kani. Dictionary importante ni sa eskwela kana.
Ah, Dr. Seuss. That's a good one, bro. No problem. You're welcome. Nice coaching there.
Kaninya tingo.
Unsa ni?
Saging.
Sa English sa saging.
Banana.
Very good. Kini unsa man ni?
Itik.
Itik. Sa English sa itik.
Ambot.
Duck.
Duck.
Ikaw sa English itik duck.
Tak.
Ah, unsa ni?
Tiki.
Tiki. Unsa English tiki?
Baki.
Lizard. Tuko. Lizard.
Lizard.
Unsa man ni? Unsa man ni? Unsa man ni? Samin. Sa English sa samin. Mirror. Mirror. Kini unsa man ni? Gontis. Sa English sa gontis. gloves. Gloves. Na may gloves ninyo ha?
Naa. Marami.
Yan. Isa man eh?
Alright guys, so you guys know Seapring. So we received a box all the way from Australia, and he has lots of neighbors by his house with daughters, wives, and Jerome, and some other people over there. Anyway, so this is all for you. Maybe for you or your wife, it's up to you. But lots of hats. Yeah, look at that. That's cool.
You only need lipstick.
But so lots of hats,
Thank you.
lots of tops. You can wear this tomorrow. But lots of good stuff. So I think I'll let you decide where it goes to, but you can pass it around here a little bit.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you, Lucy from Australia. Thank you very much.
You.